Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over another premium medium question in the database category that I just solved on my own. So I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem without any help. So let me show you how I did it. And let's go over it. This one's called Snaps Analysis number 3056, pretty recent question. And apparently no companies asked this, but that's fine. So basically what they want you to do is to calculate for each age bucket the percentage of sends and opens. And then the age bucket is mapped to the user ID. In the activities table, this is from the age table that is mapped to the time spent. So basically just keep track of the age bucket and whether it's open or closed, because this is the primary key or the foreign key in this table, right? So let's go ahead and create a dictionary of type default dict. It's going to be of type list. Actually, what we're going to do, and what I did was I just mapped the age bucket to the user ID first. So for I, A, and enumerate age bucket D of A is equal to, so actually let's use the user ID since that's going to be more transferable in this case. So age user ID of I is equal to A. So if we print our dictionary, this is the key value, okay? So now we can go to this table, and basically what we want to do is for each age bracket, let's make this the key and just declare an array of like this. So for example, we have 31 to 35, 0, 0, because this is going to be, for example, open, and then this is going to be for the send. And then at the end, we're just going to tally, we're just going to sum all this up, and we're going to find the percentages of each. Okay, so let's create another dictionary of type list for, let's just say for K and D. So the key is going to be the age, the key is still going to be the age bracket. So dd of K is going to be equal to 0, 0. Let's print this. Okay, cool. So that's what we want. And now we can just iterate over the activities table. And let's do the activity type. So if A is equal to open, then let's just say, well, first of all, we need the user ID. So UID is going to be activities user ID of I, because that maps back to this dictionary. So the actual key in this dictionary, let's just call this new key, is going to be D of UID. And then what we're going to say is this is now the age bucket. So now DD of new K of 0. So let's actually do 1 plus equals to whatever this time spent is, right? So activities time spent of I. So we're just formatting it because of the way they did it. Otherwise, of 0 plus equals to activities time spent of I. Okay, so let's go ahead and print dd. It's out of range. Oh, that's odd. Actually, you know what? Let's just go ahead and do UID instead. Let's not make our life too complicated. Okay, cool. So now we basically just have to create a new dictionary to map this back. Or we can just call it, because let's print new k. Oh, we should have done it here instead. So new k. Well, you know what? That's fine. Let's just make things simple because we already have what we need. So let's create another dictionary. Okay, so default dict of type list, because we're just going to go over kdd again, and this time new k is supposed to be d of k, right? So td of new k is equal to dd of k. So we're just replacing the keys. Okay, cool, awesome. So now the total sum is just the sum of this, and then this is going to be the send, and then this is going to be the open. So sum of td of t. So the whole list is summed up. And then send percentage is supposed to be td of t of 0, right? This is a send divided by the total. Same with open. Let's see if this looks right. Okay, that looks fine, but it says round to 2 decimal places. That's fine. We'll just go ahead and gather the results because we already have them. 1.append t, 2.append sp, 3.append op. Create our data frame. Age bucket is equal to 1. Send perk and then let's just try to return it. So just copying these names. Okay, so now that's a problem because you only want 4 of them. Actually, what we're supposed to do here is multiply by 100, as you can see. Okay. And now the problem is that we're supposed to round this. Just call round 2 decimal places because it says right here. Okay. So let's submit it. Oh, okay. That's strange. Okay, maybe. Because we only want 4 digits, maybe try rounding to 4 decimal places. No, that's not right. Okay. Let's go back to the drawing board. That does not look right. So the send is, so elif a is equal to send. It says any order, so that's fine. See what's going on here. Send percentage. So 7 divided by the total, yep. Oh, you know what? If K is not in DD already, because we don't want to, I don't think that matters. So let's round this again to 2 decimal places. Setting an opening, yep. So wait a second, is it just, is it, no. So let's go ahead and do that. This is actually really annoying because you know what? Screw this. Let's just go ahead and do it the old way. I'll make this all nasty. Instead of this, let's say trans is supposed to be D of K. Okay, so now activity type and then time spent of I. So if A is equal to open, then what is it? Let's take care of send first. Okay, so then, so dd of tr of 0 plus equals to the time, otherwise stop autofilling for me like that. Okay, so let's just return a something dummy. It's a lot of typing. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this again. Get rid of all this shit. Okay, cool. So now it looks correct because I don't know what I just messed up there, but I guess just making this is a little more clear. So sometimes it's better to just go back and redo things from scratch, as you saw with my last video as well, where it's like I was overcomplicating it and it just messed things up. So now we can go back to what we were doing, right? So 1.append k, 2.append sp, 3.append op, and then set all the 3 columns. So age bucket, send, perk, open, perk. Okay, run this. What? Oh. What is going on? Oh, it's supposed to be 4 because we want 4 digits, right? Oh, and then this is annoying, times 100 as well. Okay, so submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. Again, I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem without any help, and also achieve a 100% runtime in memory, which is really rare for a solution that represents my own work and that I came up with on my own. So, yep, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.